Hi, it's Haley and Bryn, and we're going to be doing the cough drop challenge. If you haven't heard of that, it's kind of like Chubby Bunny, but you like open it up, put one in, and you say, well, this one's cherry, so we're just going to like say cherry. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, number 1. I'll go first. Cherry. Cherry. Number 2. I'm gonna get spicy. Cherry. Cherry. Number 3. 3. Ooh, nice space. You should do a cereal challenge next. No, maybe not. Okay. Cherry. Cherry. Oh, this is hard. We should do chubby cherry. And I was cherry. Oh, this is number 4. Peppermint. I will say cherry. Cherry? Sorry. Number 5. Cherry. Cherry. We're trying to beat 9. Number 6. This is like hurting my cheeks. And it's coming. Cherry. Cherry. I'm starting to do a... Sorry, we had to go get a drink of water. Number 8. I'm at number 7. This is hurting my throat too bad. Cherry. I can't open these things. I got it. Hang on one second. Cherry. Whoa. One more. Number 7. Number 7. Let me do it. We got up to 7. 7. And it's starting to get all that's like super hot. Just kids never try to home, okay? Okay, well, we're gonna do the next challenge. I hope you like it. And subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. And just so you know, peace. And just so you know, if you try this, your spit will turn the same color. Why did you say that? Ew. All right.